This is my family photo. You can see beautiful wife and kids. And you can see here right side. This is I am software engineer. Professionally, I am working as a software engineer, and my name is, as mentioned, Rajesh Sukhendraramani. And here, this photo, many of you might be able to recall Tanjavur Big Temple, Big Brihadeshwara Temple. This is my native place, around 20 kilometers from there. And then I'm currently working in Pune as a software engineer. This is Saniwalwada Fort. So last 2006, I moved to Pune, and I'm working in the same company as a software engineer. So this is my brief introduction about my personal part. And as many of you might be having question, as being a software engineer, how I am giving the session on this corona-related, health-related topic. So just I want to brief about the transformation, how I have been transferred from the proper software engineer to kind of advising on the health aspects. So initially, around 7, 8 years back, even I was kind of 100% believing, trusting whatever the doctors being told. So I followed whatever the doctors were suggesting. And 2010, my wife delivered daughter, you can see, and it was a cesarean. So even though we followed all the doctors' medicines, continuous checkup, everything, finally we ended up with a cesarean only. And at that time, I was not aware, and everyone was telling that cesarean is kind of a majority nowadays, so it's not a big issue. So I accepted that. So after 2 3 years, I started getting more awareness of about being healthy, and without taking the drugs, we can live healthy. So around 2013-14, I started getting lot of sources. I started understanding and started doing the research. So so from that perspective, I learned a lot. I talked with many people. I attended some courses, went through a lot of books, videos, analysis, all these things. And second time, when my wife got pregnant on 2015, we did not take any medicine, no checkup. We believe the body language, body symptoms, everything. And because of all the guidance from everyone, we finally delivered the baby as a normal delivery only successfully. So that experience, I thought, okay, we did something big, achievement, something. But when I share the information, in my office circle or relative circle, no one was believing. So I started explaining everything. They were not accepting it. And then, on even I had a doubt whether I took a correct path or not. So when my kid was growing, if you see the first one, like when our first baby, the girl was born, we used to go to the hospital for every month, 2 3 times, falling sick, cold, fever, all these things, and many nights she did not sleep well. And then when my second son was born, we see the complete difference. So far now 5 years completed, we did not take any medicine. He is living very healthy way. And when we see how he is behaving, how his health condition, we realize that we are on the good track. And then I felt that I can manage my family to live healthy without taking any drugs. But how I can pass this message to my circle? So I started doing some more research, and I started giving sessions. I was started the WhatsApp group, everything. I started sharing my knowledge, and through which uh, I got lot of knowledge and all these things. And I am confident that for normally healthy life, we don't need to take any drugs. Only for emergency purpose, we can go for the hospitalization. This is what my experience, and I wanted to share it with all. So I got this knowledge from multiple sources like books, online classes, and direct classes also I attended, and detoxification courses I have gone through. So all these things was really helpful, and I wanted to make it simple for everyone. And in this path, if you see here, you can see lot of photos taken. In last Diwali, I went to hometown, Tamil Nadu, and many I have showed my interest that I wanted to give session. So many people volunteered, arranged the session at the different places. So we had 13 whole day sessions, full day sessions from morning 10 to evening 5, 6 somewhere. And these are the photos of those session, and almost more than 1,000 people I contacted, I interacted, I talked with them. I got some more inputs from them, and I have shared all those information with them. I helped them and to how to live healthy way. Okay, so this is my path currently. I am working as a software engineer, but as my passion, I am working on this one. So, and in this route, from this week, I plan to start giving the session in the English also. So I want more participation so that this session can be continued. So this is about the introduction.